In front of me is Redmi Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and tap on this microphone at the top right corner. If it's not visible, don't worry, click on this gear one then. Select voice typing from keyboard settings and activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner next to use voice typing. Then go back and tap on no visible microphone. Choose while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. And now my favorite part. Tap on your microphone and then select icon that will appear on the left. This one called minimalize. Hit next, select done, and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To add an emoji, use emoji one. Add whatever emoji or emojis you wish. And to close emoji keyboard, use this X at the top left corner. If you wish to manage some available options, click on those three lines on the left. If you want to move your toolbar around, just hold it, drag it, and place it wherever you want to. And if you want to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!